Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us start our video and today's topic is Test Series Class 5. Class 5 Test Series Subject Science. सब्जेक्ट साइंस में अभी तक के जितने क्वेश्चंस करा दिए गए हैं, जितने चैप्टर्स एक्सप्लेन कर दिए गए हैं, उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसे टेस्ट सीरीज़ में इंक्लूड किया गया है. So, test series class 5 subject science. Let us start our video. In this video, all questions are included by their answers. So, let us start our video. Subject science class 5th. First of all, start word meanings. Word meaning. Our first word is wedge. Means कील, inclined plane, इच्छुक विमान, लीवर उत्तोलक, नाइफ चाकू, स्विंग सिलाई, व्हील पहिया, एनर्जी ऊर्जा, सरफेस सतह, पुले घिरनी, स्क्रू पेंच, फलक्रम आधार, लोड भार, फ्रिक्शन घर्षण, डिजीज बीमारी, यूटेंसिल बर्तन, स्प्रेड फैलना, कफ खांसी, स्वेट पसीना, एक्सरसाइज व्यायाम, स्लीप सोना, कॉम्ब कंघी, and hygiene स्वच्छता. These are some word meanings for chapter 6 to 8 class 5th science CBSE board. And our next question is short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. So our first short question is, what do you understand by disease? What do you understand by disease? बीमारी से आप क्या समझते हैं? So the answer of this question is, a disease is a state in which the normal functioning of the body gets disturbed. And our second short question is, what do you understand by force? What do you understand by force? And answer is, force is the push or pull applied by one object on another. Force is the push or pull applied by one object on another. And our third short answer type question is, what is energy? What is energy? So this answer is, energy is the ability to do work. Energy is the ability to do work. This is very short answer type question. Energy is the ability to do work. And our next short answer type question, what do you understand by machine? What do you understand by machine? And answer is, so the answer is, a device or a tool used to make work easier, faster and more efficient is a machine. And our next short answer type question is, what is an inclined plane? What is an inclined plane? And the answer is, an inclined plane is a plane surface which connects a lower level to a higher level. Let us just repeat. An inclined plane is a plane surface which connects a lower level to a higher level. And our next question is long answer type questions. long answer type questions. And our first long answer type question is, how communicable disease spread? How communicable disease spread? So our answer is, how communicable disease spread. So communicable disease can spread through the following four main modes. First, through infected food and water. Next, through air. Third, through direct contact. Next, through insects. And our next question is, what are the uses and demerits of friction? What are the uses and demerits of friction? And our answer is, firstly, uses of friction. Friction between soles and the ground prevents slipping while walking. Next, writing with a pencil requires friction. Next heading, demerits of friction. When two parts of a machine rub against each other, they can cause damage. Next demerits of friction. If you want to move an object, friction can make the job more difficult. Excess friction can make it difficult to ride a bicycle or walk through sand. This is the answer of second question. And our third question is, how can lever be classified? Give examples for each class of lever. And our answer is, depending on the relative positions of the fulcrum, the effort and the load, levers are divided into three classes. First class lever. When the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, it is called a first class lever. Example of first class lever: scissor, sisa, pliers, etc. etc. Next, second class lever. When the load is between the fulcrum and the effort, it is called a second class lever. And the example of second class lever is wheelbarrow, bottle opener, nut cracker, etc. etc. And third is third class lever. When the effort is between the fulcrum and the load, it is called a third class lever. The example of third class lever is fishing rod, spade, etc. So this is the answer of our third question. Lever are divided into three class: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. These are long answer types questions. And our next question is, draw the diagram of first, second and third class of lever. Draw the diagram of first, second and third class of lever. हमें फर्स्ट क्लास लीवर, सेकेंड क्लास लीवर और थर्ड क्लास लीवर का डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. तो इसके लिए लेट अस स्टार्ट ड्रॉ आवर फर्स्ट क्लास लीवर डायग्राम. सो द definition of first class lever: when this is lever and this is fulcrum. When fulcrum is between load and effort, it is called first class lever. So the diagram of first class lever is load or effort के बीच में जब फल्क्रम होता है तो ये डायग्राम हम फर्स्ट क्लास लीवर का बोल सकते हैं. This is the diagram of second class lever. When the load between effort and fulcrum, this is called second class lever. And the third class lever is when effort is between fulcrum and load. This diagram is called third class lever. Next, write a short note on pulley. Write a short note on pulley. Show the short note on pulley is: a pulley is a simple machine that uses grooved wheel and a rope to rise, lower or move a load. It consists of a grooved wheel that rotates around a fixed point called the fulcrum. A rope passing over the pulley is connected to the load to rise or lower it. These are the short note on pulley, and their example are simple pulley, crane, flag pole, etc. Next, write the different kind of work and the energy required to perform them in the table given below. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्क्स लिखना है और हमें ये बताना है उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी का रिक्वायर्ड है. सो दिस इज द exercise of this chapter, and our activities question is: a huge rock has blocked a road after a landslide. What could be done to move the rock from the road? And the answer is: we use a simple machine called pulley to remove a huge rock that has blocked the road after a landslide. So my questions are over. Thank you for watching this video.